Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As usual, according to our, like as our previous video, also in this video I'm just going to discuss about civil engineering basic knowledge term tutorials, and here I'll discuss about Esther's and its technical terms. So as an engineer, as a civil engineer, this is very important to know about some technical terms of Esther. Which part is known as which name. This is very important to know that. So this is Hedaetullah with another new video, and if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to your channel School of Civil Engineering, and also press the bell icon for more update. And in this channel they have available many civil engineering basic knowledge video, and also they have many software tutorial, so you can learn that from here. And my first and only one motive to make or feel better and spread my knowledge all over the world. So let's start. First of all, we'll see what is Esther actually. Esther is a system of steps by which people and object may pass from one level of building to another level. So this is a simple definition, and everyone know about its objective. And after that, Esther is to be designed to span large vertical distance by dividing it into a smaller vertical distance called steps. Okay, so it's clear what is known as steps. So here, location of Esther, it should be so located as to provide easy access to the occupancy of the building. After that, it should be located that it is well lighted and ventilated directly from the exterior. After that, it should be so located as to have approach convenient and spacious. After that, it is a in public building it should be located near main entrance, and in residential building it should be placed centrally. After that, we learn about some basic terms. Okay, suppose here you are seeing that there have many points that are using. Okay, here many points that are using, so we'll actually learn about that name. And here we have used some practical and real project and picture also, so I'll show you that. So first of all, the definition of terms in connection with Esther are given below. So first of all, here is the blaster. Okay, here is the blaster. It is the vertical member of wood or metal supporting the handle rail. So here is the blaster. Okay, here is the blaster. So if you see here, if I zoom that, just see here, this is the blaster. So from here you can see that blaster here, and actually this is the vertical portion that support the handrail. After that, what is handrail? The inclined rail over steering is known as handrail. Just here, this is the handrail. So if you see here, this is the handrail, and where we take our hand to pass that stair. After that, newel post. What is the newel post? This is the first actually this is like a blaster, but this is the first one, and that mainly support the total that blaster or hand railing, etc. Okay, so here, after that, soffit. Okay, after that, here soffit, it is the underside of the stair. Okay, it is the underside of the stairs. So at that side is known as soffit. That side here, that side is known as soffit. Clear to you? That side is known as soffit. After that, if we come here, waist, the thickness of a structural slab, in case of an RCC stair are known as waist. Okay, so what is the waist? Actually, the structural slab thickness. Okay, from here, if we consider that, and that line will be the structural slab, and here this is the step and raiser. So after that, if we go for next, so here if you see here, this is the extended part of our step. So I will see here its name. It's known as nosing. Okay, it's known as nosing, like as our nose, the extended part of our mouth. So it is the projecting part of the trade. This is the projecting part of the trade. So this is the extended part of trade beyond the phase of the riser. This is riser and this is trade. Okay, trade, or here the trade, and this is known as nosing, and it is rounded to give good structural effect. After that, the scotia, it is a modeling provided under the nosing to improve the evolution of the step. Just if we provide something here to support that nosing, then it's known as scotia. Okay, after that, step. What is the step actually? So the step, it is a portion of stair which permit ascent and descent. It is compressed of the trade and riser. Okay, trade and riser is known as mainly steps. So this is the extended part of the slab to provide the trade and rise. This is known as extend, right? So the trend, it is the upper horizontal portion of the step upon which the foot is placed while ascending or descending. Just here, this is the trade where we take our foot. Okay, after that, rise. This is the horizontal distance. You know that what is the rise? It is the it is the vertical distance between two successive trade phase. Okay, from that successive trade phase to that phase, it's known as the rise. After that, going, it is the horizontal distance between two successive riser phase. Okay, so from that riser phase to that riser phase distance, this is known as going, where we take our foot. After that, if we come here, actually here every picture we have considered as a from real project. Okay, from real project we have considered every picture. After that, here flight, a series of steps without any platform, a series of steps without any platform, break or landing in that direction. So from that point to that point, that is considered as flight. So from that point to that point is considered as flight. After that, landing. What is the landing actually? Actually where we turn into our another stair. Okay, where we turn into our another stair, this is known as landing. I mean the finishing point where we consider it's as 3 feet to 3.5 feet like that. So this is known as landing. After that, run. What is actually run? It is the total length of the stairs. It is the total length of the stairs in a horizontal place. I mean horizontal plane, including landing. Okay, this is known as run. It is the total length of stairs in a horizontal plane, including landing. So it is clear to you. This is also known as run. So from that point, actually the end of that, landing. So thank you very much. And if you think that you have learned something from here, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, and also like our video, share a video with your engineer friend and who want to learn about that. And for more video and more update, stay with us. So thank you very much.